Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch. First, select a hero from a diverse roster of over 30 characters, each possessing unique skills. You'll then choose one of three core roles: tank, damage, or support, which dictates your playstyle. Remember, Overwatch is a team-based game, so coordinating with your 5-person squad is crucial for capturing objectives and securing victory. Mastering your hero's abilities and understanding team composition are key to success. Each of the three roles plays a vital part in your team's strategy. Tanks like Reinhardt or Winston lead the charge, soaking up damage and protecting allies with their high health pools and defensive abilities. Damage heroes such as Soldier, 76 or Tracer specialize in dealing high output to eliminate opponents. Support heroes, including Mercy or Lucio, keep their team alive and provide essential buffs or crowd control. A balanced team composition is often the most effective. Overwatch features several dynamic game modes, each with distinct objectives. In payload maps, your team must escort a vehicle to its final destination, while the enemy tries to stop you. Control point maps require teams to capture and hold specific areas on the map. Other modes involve unique goals like pushing a robot or securing multiple points. Understanding these objectives is paramount, as simply eliminating enemies won't guarantee a win. To truly excel in Overwatch, consistent practice is essential. Spend time in the practice range to familiarize yourself with your chosen hero's abilities, ultimate and weapon mechanics. Effective communication with your team, using voice chat or pings, can turn the tide of battle. Observing high-level players and professional matches can also provide valuable insights into positioning, ultimate usage, and team coordination, helping you elevate your own gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.